That thing right there, as I accelerate, it's like da, 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 da.
All right, everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna get ready to work on this Range Rover today. My drive line, the center bearing broke, and I'm gonna be working on that. Let me show you kind of where I'm at with this right here. If you come down here, get my camera set up, figured it out when I was kind of here, and I'm like, what is going on here? It's all banging around, and then I move this right here, and you can hear that the center bearing here is out, so I'll be replacing that here in just a minute. But yeah, that should be fun, but let's get going.
That's gonna be easier than I thought. Thought I was gonna be dealing with rusty bolts, man. I got some news coming. Hopefully I'll be able to share it to you by the end of the month, but it might involve me having a shop and a lift, so bear with me. It's coming, hopefully. So here, let me show you what I got going on here. If you can see this, hold on, right there. Look at this. They're getting broken off. That thing right there, as I accelerate, it's like da, 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 and then it shakes the whole car and it feels like it's gonna break. But it looks like I was driving with my dad, and we're sitting there, and there was too many cars coming. I figured, fuck it, dude, I gotta get in the road. Slam the gas, and I swear I heard something pop, and I'm like, ah, it's fine. Next morning, it's dump. Sounds like my axle broke. And it wasn't the axle, it was that. But yeah, this one's gonna be hard to take off, god damn it. Ow! All right, so I got the shaft off. What a pain, I couldn't take it off the back axle, so this is what I sorry about that, battery died. Okay, so where was I? Oh yeah, so pretty much this is what I've got going on now. I took half the shaft off and literally pain in the butt. So this right here, I had to kind of hammer it off to get the bearing part of it out of there. And I have the right tools to get those rusty bolts there. So I left half the shaft on, and I'm gonna try to do it like that. So here it is right here. Pretty much, it's right there. So finally I gotta take the bearing off and start tapping it right here on the side just to pop it out. But what happened here, there was actually, what was there? It was something, oh, see the little like copper looking thing? You have to pull those apart, and that's what's holding this in right here into that, in a little slot there. You kind of see it. And so what that does, it keeps it from coming apart. And that's why I had to take this boot off of it and actually take all the bearings out. But I will get all that taken care of here in just a little bit.
One eternity later.
This is supposed to be a 2-hour job. It's been 4.5 hours. Yeah, but you know what? Taking that middle bearing out was the hardest right here. Check it out. Right there, just hammering it out. I mean, literally broke it into pieces, right? This is what it's supposed to look like. And that's the last piece. I finally got it out. And yeah. I don't know, I might call it a day after this, but we'll see how I feel right now. I might be able to put it back together pretty quick, so we'll go from there. Done.
The next day.
It's the next morning. Gotta tighten everything up. I got everything installed last night. Drive shaft comes up just exactly the way it came down. Kind of a pain putting it up, but it wasn't too bad. So now I'm just gonna torque everything. I mean, let me go ahead and show you what it looks like under there right now. So there it is, it's all back on. There's that piece I replaced there in the middle. And there's the drive shaft. Yep, so now it's just testing it. Let's take it out for a test drive. See how it goes. Oh, nope. All right, so that didn't work out. Gotta buy the drive shaft. My God. Well, it looks like I have to order the new drive shaft. the drive line's bent. I started driving it, started shaking like hell. I mean, I kind of figured it was gonna be a risk, but you know, I figured I might as well try the cheap part first, and that doesn't work, I'll just buy the drive line. It should just pop right on. I didn't break anything while I was working on it. But yeah, so more to come on this. We'll keep you posted. More work on that one to come.